वेलकम टू आवर शॉर्ट हैंड प्रयागराज। दोस्तों, यहाँ पर एक इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट एपीएस के बेस पे लीगल डिक्टेशन डिक्टेट की जाएगी। डिक्टेशन की जो स्पीड होगी वो 110 के आसपास की होगी, तो प्रयास करें अच्छे से लिखें। ओके। और यदि हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे आप जुड़ना चाहते हैं तो जा करके वहाँ सर्च करें शॉर्ट हैंड प्रयागराज, आपको वहाँ पे चैनल मिल जाएगा। यदि नहीं मिलता है तो यहाँ के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जा करके वहाँ लिंक दी गई है, वहाँ से भी आप ज्वाइन हो सकते हैं। और एक बार ध्यानपूर्वक इसकी स्क्रीन को रीड आउट कर लें, क्योंकि भविष्य में भी या वर्तमान में आपको ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है। ओके, सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। Heard, learned counsel for the applicant and learned AGA for the state, full stop para. This application has been filed for setting aside the entire proceeding of complaint case number 1946 of 2016 bracket open Pawan Kumar versus Deepak Jha bracket over comma under section 138 of Negotiable Instruments Act comma Police Station Premnagar comma District Jhansi arising out of impugned summoning order dated 22.2.2019 passed by learned additional chief judicial magistrate comma court number 2 Jhansi, as well as to set aside the impugned summoning order dated 22.2.2019 full stop para. Record reflects that a complaint under section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act was filed on 15.12.2016 by opposite party number 2 Pawan Kumar Jain against the applicant herein alleging dishonoring of check comma on the ground of insufficiency of fund full stop. The magistrate concerned of the recording the statement of the complainant as well as witnesses under sections 200 and 202 CRPC comma wide impugned order dated 22.2.2019 has summoned the applicant full stop para. While assailing the impugned summoning order comma contention of learned counsel for the applicant is that the magistrate has not applied judicial mind in passing the summoning order, as the order has been made on a printed pro forma comma in which the name of the accused has been filled up by hand full stop para. Relying upon the decision of this court in Ankit versus State of UP and another comma 2010 within bracket 1 JIC 432 colon 2009 within bracket 3 ACR 3479 comma submission of the learned counsel for the applicants is that the order impugned being on a printed pro forma is clearly without application of judicial mind and hence is liable to be quashed on this ground alone full stop para. Learned AGA has also admitted that the order impugned has been passed on the printed pro forma and therefore, comma, keeping in view the decision in the case of Ankit within bracket Supra, comma, the magistrate concerned may be directed to pass a fresh order full stop. I have considered the arguments so advanced by learned counsel for the applicant and learned AGA and also perused the record full stop para. The certified copy of the order summoning the accused has been appended as Annexure 3 full stop. From a perusal of the above order, comma, it is evident that it is a typed pro forma where only information of case number, comma, name of parties, comma, section, comma, date and next date is to be filled by magistrate in handwriting full stop. It appears that the blanks in the printed pro forma have been filled up by some court employee and the magistrate, namely Sri Manoj Kumar Tiwari, comma, Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate, comma, Court number 2, comma, Jhansi, comma, has thereafter just put his initial, comma, which leads to the conclusion that the magistrate has passed the order in a mechanical manner without application of judicial mind full stop para. Despite there being a series of decisions of the apex court and this court disapproving such practice of passing orders on printed pro forma by the judicial officers, comma, it is very painful and unfortunate to see that applicant in the present case has been summoned by the magistrate by an order in which blanks have been filled in on a printed pro forma without applying judicial mind full stop. This type of order has already been held unsustainable by this court in the case of Ankit within bracket Supra, relying on in a number of decisions of the apex court full stop. The relevant portion of the said decision, comma, is extracted below colon para. Quote, although as held by this court in the case of Meghnath Gupta and another versus State of UP and another, comma, 2008 within bracket 62 ACC 826, comma, in which reference has been made to the case of Deputy Chief Controller Import and Export versus Roshan Lal Agrawal, comma, 2003 within bracket 4 ACC 686 within bracket SC semicolon UP Population Control Board versus Mohan Mickens, comma, 2000 within bracket 2 JIC 159 within bracket SC, comma, AIR 2000 SC 1456 and Kanti Bhadra versus State of West Bengal, comma, 2000 within bracket 1 JIC 751 colon 2000 within bracket 40 ACC 441 within bracket SC, comma, the magistrate is not required to pass detailed reasoned order at the time of taking cognizance on the charge sheet, comma, but it does not mean that order of